Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ultimate showdown. Who grew the economy better? In one corner, we have the businessman turned president, Donald Trump, and in the other, the career politician, Joe Biden. Today, we're going head-to-head with 10 rounds of economic smackdown to see which president truly gave the economy a boost. Think you know your candidate? Well, it's time to put that to the test. You'll be playing along at home. Grab a pen. Pause now if you need to get one. Get ready to make your picks, and let's see how well you can guess the winner in each round. So, why these 10 rounds? Well, we're covering key economic metrics, the kind of things that affect everyone. From how many jobs were created to how much we're paying at the store. Whether you're trying to save money, find work, or grow your investments, these numbers matter. Let's jump right into round one. All right, folks, it's time to kick off round one. In this corner, we have a claim that Biden's economy is the worst since the Great Depression. A heavy statement. Will it hold up? Or will the numbers prove otherwise? Let's see if you can call it. Grab your pen, make your guess, and let's roll. Here we go with round two. Job creation. It's the stat that affects all of us. Both Trump and Biden have bragged about creating jobs, but one of them took on a bigger challenge. Who came out on top? Think you know? Lock in your answer now. And now we're on to round three. Unemployment rate. The question is simple. Who got more Americans back to work? But don't answer too quickly. Pandemics, recovery efforts, and a whole lot of twists make this a tougher than it seems question. So who wins this round? Take a shot. Next up, round four. We got GDP growth, which is basically the country's report card. It shows how much value the economy is producing. Both presidents saw periods of high growth, but one of them oversaw the fastest GDP growth in 40 years. Now, you might be thinking you know that answer, but it might surprise you. Write down your guess now. Now, round five. Let's talk about the stock market. It can be a bit of a mystery to a lot of people, but it reflects how much confidence investors have in the future of the economy. One of these presidents oversaw a huge surge in the market, while the other had a steady rise. But which one came out on top? Take your guess now. Oh, wow, we're halfway through and the competition is heating up. How are you doing so far? Some of these rounds are tougher than they look, aren't they? Well, keep track of those guesses. Round six is right around the corner and it could be anyone's game. Well, this brings us to round six, manufacturing jobs. Both presidents promised to revive American manufacturing, but only one of them saw bigger gains. Was it Trump or Biden? It's time to dig in and guess which president brought home more factory jobs. Round seven is where we talk dollars and cents, wage growth. Both promised to boost paycheck, but whose policies actually put more money in people's pockets? Wages rose for some, but who made it happen for more Americans? Jot down your answer. Now it's the middle class taking center stage in round eight. Trump's tax cuts versus Biden's wage increases and tax credits. Who really helped out the average family? This is a critical round. Take your best guess and hold on for the reveal. Here we go. Round nine. National debt. Which president racked up more debt on the nation's credit card? Was it Trump's tax cuts or Biden's pandemic spending? This one might surprise you, so get ready to lock in your choice. And finally, round 10. The one we've all been feeling, inflation. Prices skyrocketed, but who handled it better? Was it Trump? Was it Biden? Able to navigate the global supply chain crisis? Make your final guess, Trump or Biden, and stay tuned for the answer. All right, that's it for the rounds. Have you got your answers locked in? Feeling confident? Second guessing any? Well, it's time to find out. Head over to the answer reveal video. I've linked it right here. You'll get to see the final tally and see who really came out on top. Don't miss it. You can also click the link in the description and see how you scored. Good luck.